Hi, I'm Angelica Pickles, and today, I'm going to blow up the biggest firework in the universe. Ha 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 ha. I'm doing it in 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh shoot, it's about to explode. Yes, I blew up the biggest firework in the universe. Yes, I blew up the biggest firework in the universe. Yes, I blew up the biggest firework in the universe.
Angelica, what have you done to our house?
Oh no, this doesn't look good.
Angelica, you just blew up half of our house. Now we have to pay a lot of money for damages you caused, so you will have to deal with being bitten by mosquitoes for the night.
And also, you are grounded for the rest of the year, upstairs right now, young lady.